The Earth trembled, not from nature's fury, but from something far older, far more precise. In the desolate heart of Siberia, where permafrost grips ancient secrets, a silent guardian awakens. A localized cataclysm, born not of natural disaster, but of an intelligence beyond our comprehension, scarred the land, leaving a chilling echo of an impossible event. For centuries, tribal elders whispered tales of a forbidden valley, a place of strange energies and metallic structures, where life itself seemed to falter. They called it Uliuiu Cherkechekh, the Valley of Death, a land shrouded in fear and myth, guarded by an unseen presence. Deep within this cursed landscape, legend spoke of colossal iron cauldrons, immense, hemispherical structures buried in the permafrost. Not natural formations, these metallic behemoths were said to pulse with a hidden power, remnants of a forgotten civilization or something far more alien. These weren't mere geological anomalies. Explorers who dared venture too close reported strange illnesses, inexplicable technological failures, and an overwhelming sense of dread. The valley seemed to actively repel intrusion, its ancient defenses still subtly humming beneath the frozen crust. Could these cauldrons be more than just artifacts? Could they be components of a vast, interconnected network? A network designed for a purpose far grander and more terrifying than we can imagine, a system dormant for millennia, now stirring back to life. The legends speak of a time when the sky itself was a canvas of terror, when fire rained down from the heavens. A time when humanity, or its precursors, faced extinction, prompting the creation of a desperate, ultimate safeguard. This is not a story of natural evolution, but of advanced intervention. The sheer scale and sophistication implied by these cauldrons suggest a builder with capabilities far beyond any known human civilization, perhaps even beyond Earth itself. The Yakut people tell of a fire-breathing giant that protects the valley, a mythical beast that annihilates anything that threatens the sanctity of the land. A myth, perhaps, or a fragmented memory of a technological marvel. The 1908 Tunguska Event. A blast equivalent to 10 to 15 megatons of TNT, flattening 2,000 square kilometers of forest, yet leaving no impact crater. A celestial body disintegrated mid-air. But by what force? Mainstream science attributes it to an airburst meteor. But the anomalies persist, strange light phenomena, magnetic disturbances, and testimonies of a blinding column of light preceding the explosion. Was this a natural event, or something far more orchestrated? The Iron Cauldrons and the Tunguska Enigma. Two seemingly disparate mysteries, yet both rooted in the same unforgiving Siberian wilderness. Could they be pieces of a single, monumental puzzle, a legacy of ancient planetary defense? Ancient texts from cultures across the globe speak of the sky gods and the chariots of fire intervening in times of great cataclysm. Were these divine interventions, or the activation of a sophisticated, pre-existing defense grid? Consider the sheer engineering feat implied. A global network, capable of detecting and intercepting extraterrestrial threats. This demands a level of technology we are only now beginning to grasp, a legacy from a forgotten golden age. The cauldrons are described as warm, even in extreme cold. Some believe they are power generators, drawing energy from the Earth's magnetic field, or perhaps from a more exotic, unknown source, sustaining a constant, low-level operational status. If a defense system, then for whom? And against what? The answer lies in the deep history of our planet, a history scarred by cosmic impacts, mass extinctions, and the rise and fall of civilizations long before our recorded past. The system's designers, perhaps a precursor human civilization, or even an extraterrestrial intelligence, foresaw the inevitable cosmic threats. Their solution, an autonomous, self-repairing network, capable of enduring millennia. The cauldrons could be localized energy projectors, or perhaps even communication nodes, part of a vast, subterranean web. Each one a dormant sentry, awaiting its cue, its specific mission within the grand design. The Valley of Death's peculiar magnetic anomalies are consistent with a vast, low-frequency electromagnetic field. A field generated not by natural forces, but by ancient machinery, maintaining a state of readiness. Could the system be powered by zero-point energy, or perhaps drawing directly from the Earth's core? Such a power source would explain its longevity, its ability to remain active for eons without human intervention or refueling. The very nature of its operation demands stealth. A planetary defense system must remain hidden, its presence unknown, until the moment of crisis. Its silence is its greatest weapon, its invisibility its ultimate shield. Back to Tunguska. The sheer force, the absence of an impact crater, the peculiar atmospheric effects. It defies conventional explanations. What if the incoming object was not permitted to reach the ground? Eyewitness accounts from the surrounding region speak of a fireball in the sky, followed by a pillar of fire and then a deafening roar. These descriptions align not with an uncontrolled impact, but with a deliberate, directed energy discharge. The theory, Tunguska was an interception. An autonomous planetary defense system, dormant for millennia, detected an incoming threat and activated a localized plasma blast, disintegrating the object miles above the surface. The energy required for such an event is staggering. This lends credence to the idea of the Cauldrons as massive power conduits, part of a network capable of channeling immense energy from deep within the Earth. The system wouldn't target the object directly, but rather create a superheated plasma field in its path. The incoming body would vaporize upon impact with this field, leaving no crater, only atmospheric shockwaves. Why Siberia? The permafrost offers unique advantages for preserving ancient technology. It provides a stable, cold environment, minimizing decay and detection, a natural vault for a planetary guardian. The system's self-activation implies an advanced AI, capable of independent threat assessment and response. An intelligence that has been silently watching, waiting, for millennia, a true planetary sentinel. The localized nature of the Tunguska event, impacting a sparsely populated region, suggests a precise targeting mechanism. The system is efficient, minimizing collateral damage, a testament to its intelligent design. But what if the system wasn't fully operational? What if Tunguska was at test firing, or a partial activation, indicating a system still in a low-power mode, only capable of limited responses? The implications are profound. We share our planet with an ancient, autonomous defense network, a silent guardian that predates our civilization. A guardian that holds the power to protect, or perhaps, to judge. The defense system is not merely reactive, it's a predictive intelligence. Constantly scanning the cosmos, calculating trajectories, assessing threats, its sensors embedded deep within the Earth's crust, watching the heavens. The Cauldrons are merely the visible tips of an iceberg. Beneath them lies a labyrinthine network of tunnels, chambers, and colossal machinery, a hidden world of advanced technology waiting to be discovered. These ancient builders understood the cyclical nature of cosmic threats. They built a system not for a single event, but for an eternity, ensuring the planet's survival through countless ages. What if humanity itself becomes a threat to this system? Would it perceive our escalating technological prowess, our spacefaring ambitions, as a potential danger to its primary directive, planetary preservation? The whispers of the Yakut elders, dismissed as folklore, might be vital clues. Their ancestral memory, passed down through generations, could hold the key to understanding the system's purpose and its true masters. The system's current low-power mode is a state of watchful waiting. It conserves energy, maintaining core functions, ready to surge into full operational capacity when a truly existential threat emerges. This isn't just a defense against asteroids. What about gamma-ray bursts, solar flares, or even more exotic cosmic phenomena? A true planetary defense would need to counter a spectrum of existential threats. Our reliance on satellite networks and fragile infrastructure makes us vulnerable. Perhaps the ancient builders understood this fragility, creating a robust, subterranean network impervious to surface-level chaos. The question remains, who built this system? And are they still watching? The possibility of a benevolent, or even malevolent, intelligence silently overseeing Earth's fate from the shadows of deep time is a chilling thought. The Siberian Valley of Death, the Iron Cauldrons, the Tunguska Anomaly, all point to an undeniable truth. We are not alone in safeguarding our planet. An ancient sentinel sleeps beneath the ice, a silent guardian, waiting for its next command. Its vigilance is our ultimate, terrifying legacy.